Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Asmi Adila and this is my friend.
I am Muhammad Rafi Nabawi.
So in this first session, we will talk about information system technology trend in 2025. Introduction: information systems are rapidly evolving with emerging technologies. Business, government, and individual are adapting to digital transformation. 2025 bring new trend that will shape how information systems operate and integrate.
While technology trend that help organizations stay competitive, change decision making and efficiency. Therefore, innovation in all sectors influence global digital transformation strategies.
This is top trend in information system technology 2025. 1. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. 2. Agents computing. 3. Cybersecurity assessment. 4. Blockchain for business. 5. Low code or no code development. 6. Internet of Things (IoT) expansion. 7. Quantum computing early stage impact. We have AI and machine learning. Smarter data analytics and automation predicts modeling in decision making. 3. AI powered chatbots and virtual assistants. And 4. Ethical AI and transparency in algorithms.
Edge computing, moving processing closer to data source, improve speed and reduce latency, essential for real-time application as autonomous vehicles. Cybersecurity enhancement, AI-based threat precision, zero trust security models rise in demand for ethical hacker. Focus on data privacy compliance.
And we have blockchain for business. Beyond cryptocurrency, secure transactions, supply chains, smart contract. It increases transparency and reduces fraud. Used in healthcare, finance, and logistics. We have low-code or no-code platform, empower non-developer to build application. Faster digital solution delivery and reduce development costs.
Our expansion, millions of connected devices used in smart homes, cities, agriculture, and manufacturing generate massive data for insight and automation.
What are the overall implications for information system from this trend?
We'll see more integrated and intelligent system, a shift to real-time data enforcement, and a need for continuous skill development. Ethical consideration will also be key.
So the calculation
2025 will be transformation. Organization must adapt to stay competitive. Innovation and integration of this technology will shape the future.
That's all for me. Thank you.